Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Lait Snapchat Diamant Blue Shower Gel. No need to put on a makeup before using Snapchat anymore. Lait Snapchat Shower Gel is designed with a brand new innovative formula that acts against excessive melanin formation and works against dark spots and other discolorations. It effectively lightens the face and body, moisturize and protect the skin. It contains rich conditioner, collagen, nutrients and other active components that are specially designed to clear, nourish, hydrate, preserve and also improve the general well-being of your skin. Lait Snapchat Diamant Whitening Shower Gel mainly targets dark spots and hyperpigmentation, thereby giving you a radiant, flawless skin. This shower gel lightens your skin without giving you stretch marks and green veins. It contains ingredients such as arbutin, collagen, kojic acid, to eliminate blemishes on the outer layer of the skin. This liquid soap lathers very well. A little goes a long way and it washes your body thoroughly. It gets rid of dirts, impurities, makeup and excess oil ordinary soaps usually leave behind. This soap protects your skin against all water loss and supports your skin protective barrier. It also makes your skin complexion to be lighter, brighter and very flawless within a short time. Thanks for watching guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.